What's up everybody, this is Andrew from 4Runner Customs bringing you another Toyota how-to video. Before we get into it, if you want to check out some Toyota content that's actually entertaining, be sure to look up my main channel, 4Runner Customs, or if you want to see some custom built and designed mods for these vehicles, check out 4runnercustoms.com. Now let's get into the video. Replacing the brake light switch is super easy to locate it. It's on the left side, kind of by the brake pedal. As you can see, it has a nice blue wire connector and it is pretty easily seen. So to replace it, the only thing you need to do is first push down on the tab and pull out the wire. It's going to be a lot easier if you remove the wire first. Then you can grab and then you have to kind of push to the left, twist it to the left, and you should hear a click. And from there it will just drop right out, which is super simple, super easy part to access. Now to put it back in is a tiny bit more difficult just because there's a small metal hole that you have to kind of slide it up into. So it might take a little bit of doing. But once you find that hole, you have to slide it up and then push on the tensioner, and then from there you have to turn it to the right to snap it back in place. You cannot put it back in place while the wire is connected. You have to do that after. So once you have it in place, connect the wire and you are good to go. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.